We are continuing our CAT deep dive with DILR today. So that's data interpretation and logical reasoning. Here you can expect to see 5 sets or cases. So you'll have a backstory and then you will have a few clues. You have to basically understand the entire thing, pay attention to every word, and once you solve the case, you'll be able to solve all of the 4 or 5 questions that come with it. And this is what adds an additional layer of complexity. Because CAT DLR by itself is hard. And then when you have cases, that means that within 40 minutes, you got to pick the right cases, that is the easier, the more doable ones, and the faster ones. And then you got to be able to solve it, probably get to a second case as well. And in fact, when I'm talking about 2 cases out of 5, that might surprise you, but nobody is finishing the paper in 40 minutes. In fact, Vignesh did 3 out of 5 cases in CAT 2025 and he got 99.98 in DILR. So that is how it is. It might surprise you that 85th percentile, which is the highest sectional cutoff that we have across IIMs, is essentially 1 to sometimes 1.5 cases if the paper is really easy. That's right. Majority of people are struggling to just complete one case, and some part of it is set selection. But you got to have that ability to solve as well. So I would split that into 2 parts. The first is how you are solving, and at MockCat, Vignesh uses an engage framework which helps students who are struggling to really break apart the case and solve it methodically. So something like that is going to be a first resort. And then the next thing is going to be practice. In our experience, practicing about 100 cases in total, right? So just think of that as 1 to 2 cases over the next 2 to 3 months is what is going to help you to get to that sectional cutoff for sure. Now, how you got to do it is practice across all of the different topics. You definitely can prioritize the ones that come up, but consistent practice is what helps your brain to understand patterns. And then I would also recommend a weekly review. So look at where you got stuck. Again, something like the Engage framework helps a lot here because you can figure out which step you are primarily getting stuck in. So where do you get stuck? And then maybe after about a month, try out the cases again. Make sure that you are getting it the next time. Now, I'm not getting into set selection right now because over the next 2 to 3 months, as I said, I would recommend that you practice a lot of cases and you understand it a lot more, and then you can start solving mocks. And I'll see you tomorrow when we talk about quant. But if you want to have a CAT prep plan, which is work for a lot of our students, just comment CAT 2026 and we'll DM it to you.